Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today we're diving into a machine so luxurious, so futuristic, and so self-sufficient it might just make you cancel your hotel bookings forever. This is the 2026 Prevost Luxury Motorhome. And it's not just an RV. It's a full-time rolling mansion on the go. Right from the outside, the sleek bodywork, high-gloss metallic finish, and precision LED lighting set the tone. Built on the legendary Prevost chassis, this motorhome is crafted for serious travelers who refuse to compromise on style, comfort, or power. Let's talk performance. Under the hood is a Volvo D13 turbo diesel engine with 500-plus horsepower, designed to cruise effortlessly across continents. The air ride suspension makes even the roughest roads feel like a runway. And with active stability controls, this beast drives like a dream, smooth, safe, and powerful. But it's what's inside that truly stuns. The entrance welcomes you with a motion-sensing sliding door, and the moment you step in, it feels like entering a private penthouse suite. The living area is pure elegance: Italian leather seating, handcrafted wood cabinetry, full-length windows with panoramic smart tint glass, and ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood. There's a home theater setup featuring an ultra-slim 65-inch OLED display, 7.1 Dolby surround system, and a retractable soundproof divider, so you can watch in peace, even if the family is working or cooking in the back. Speaking of cooking, the kitchen rivals most apartments. You get dual induction stoves, a smart fridge with AI inventory tracking, convection oven, wine chiller, and even a built-in coffee bar with custom bean grinder. It's the perfect setup for gourmet meals on the highway. Now let's talk about the master suite. You'll find a California king-sized bed with adaptive memory foam, a 360-seater rotating smart TV, heated floors, and yes, automatic blackout blinds. Storage? Think walk-in closet levels of space, complete with LED lid organizers and a built-in digital safe. And then there's the bathroom, which looks more like a spa. Heated tile floors, rain shower with aromatherapy diffuser, backlit mirrors, and even a built-in washer-dryer unit tucked into the wall. Some variants even feature a mini jacuzzi tub, yes, inside the RV. But the real marvel? It's fully off-grid ready. 2,540 watts of rooftop solar panels, paired with a massive 96 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery bank. Water capacity? Over 1,000 liters with integrated filtration. You could live anywhere, off-grid for weeks with hotel-level luxury. Tech lovers will appreciate the 10-screen Garmin digital control system, managing everything from climate, entertainment, GPS, and even tire pressure, right at your fingertips or phone app. The RV also comes with built-in Starlink satellite internet and a level 2 EV charger for your electric vehicle. All this customized, handcrafted, and rolling at a starting price tag of $2.5 million.